Welcome to our review of the top 6 best gaming keyboards. A high-quality gaming keyboard can significantly enhance your gameplay, providing precision, speed, and comfort without stretching your budget. In this video, we'll introduce 6 exceptional gaming keyboards that deliver outstanding performance at an affordable price. These keyboards feature responsive mechanical or membrane switches, customizable RGB lighting, and durable designs built to withstand long gaming sessions. Whether you're playing fast-paced FPS games, strategizing in RPGs, or simply looking for a reliable keyboard for daily use, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the details and find the perfect keyboard that suits your budget and playstyle. Number 1. ASUS ROG Strix Scope C2 96 Wireless Gaming Keyboard. Versatile, performance for gamers. Designed for seamless gaming and productivity. With a tri-mode connection, 2.4 GHz RF, Bluetooth, and USB-C wired, it ensures effortless compatibility across multiple devices. The 96% layout maintains essential keys while saving desk space, making it a compact yet functional choice. Equipped with pre-lubed ROG NX snow switches, this keyboard provides a smooth and tactile typing experience. The durable PBT keycaps enhance longevity, while dampening foam and switch dampening pads reduce noise for a quieter gaming environment. Fully customizable RGB lighting adds a dynamic aesthetic, making this keyboard ideal for gamers who value precision, comfort, and versatility. Number 2. Redragon K582 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, Precision and Speed. Combined, the Redragon K582 RGB LED backlit. Mechanical gaming keyboard is an excellent choice for gamers and professionals seeking speed and reliability. Featuring a full-size 104-key layout, it offers a familiar and spacious design. The hot swap socket upgrade allows easy switch customization, giving users the flexibility to personalize their typing experience. Its linear red switches ensure ultra-smooth keystrokes with minimal resistance, perfect for rapid gaming and quiet typing. The vibrant RGB backlighting includes multiple customizable modes, adding a stylish touch to any setup. Number 3. Redragon K556 RGB Gaming Keyboard, built for durability and comfort. The Redragon K556 RGB LED backlit wired. Mechanical gaming keyboard blends durability and functionality for an outstanding gaming experience. Featuring a 104-key full-size layout, this keyboard supports hot-swappable switches for effortless customization. The soft, tactile brown switches provide a perfect balance of smooth keystrokes and responsive feedback, making them ideal for both gaming and typing. Constructed with a robust aluminum base and integrated noise-absorbing foams, the keyboard ensures stability and quieter operation. Its fully customizable RGB lighting enhances the gaming atmosphere, making it a great choice for serious gamers and professionals alike. Number 4. AULA F99 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard, Advanced Connectivity and Customization. The AULA F99 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard offers cutting-edge versatility with tri-mode connectivity. Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired, ensuring seamless compatibility with PCs, tablets, gaming consoles, and more. This keyboard features hot-swappable pre-lubed linear switches for smooth and silent keystrokes, with easy customization options. The gasket-mounted structure enhances stability and reduces noise, providing a premium typing feel. Customizable RGB backlighting allows you to personalize your gaming setup, making this keyboard an excellent choice for users who prioritize precision and adaptability. Number 5. AULA T102 Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Combo, complete setup for gamers. The AULA T102 Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Combo delivers a dynamic and high-performance setup for casual and competitive gamers alike. Featuring a 104-key design, The keyboard boasts vibrant RGB backlighting with multiple lighting effects, creating an immersive gaming experience. Built with an all-metal panel, the keyboard is both durable and waterproof, providing extra protection against spills. Its USB wired connection ensures stable performance across various devices, including Mac, Xbox, and PC. Paired with an ergonomic gaming mouse, this combo offers precision, comfort, and style at an unbeatable value. Number 6. Corsair K70 RGB PRO Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. High-end performance at an affordable price. The Corsair K70 RGB PRO Mechanical Gaming Keyboard stands out with its precision, speed, and durability. Equipped with Cherry MX Brown tactile switches, it delivers a responsive typing experience with satisfying feedback. With 8000 Hz hyperpolling, this keyboard ensures ultra-fast input registration, giving players a competitive edge in high-speed games. PBT double-shot keycaps resist wear, maintaining their premium feel over time.